feeling like this.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this will be a holiday Christmas party makeup look. I wanted to do something really dramatic, and I am wearing a pair of lashes from my line. These are in the style, just making sure, these are in the style 1997. I will be putting my website back up in a couple days, but I wanted to do some tweaks to it so you guys can shop on my website easier. So the link will be in the description box to purchase these lashes. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this really cute look, please keep watching. Hey guys, so we're gonna start out with primer. You guys, I'm trying something different. I'm using a actual eye primer instead of concealer for my eyes, but because I'm doing a dramatic makeup look, I kind of wanted to see how this primer was gonna work. So I'm actually concealing my brows with a primer. So it's possible, okay? So I'm just concealing my eyebrows and my lids with this NYX primer base. It'll be in the description box, so don't worry. So after I'm done blending out that primer base, I'm going to apply my tape because I want super straight, crisp lines. And then we're just going to go in with the Kylie Diary eyeshadow palette. This is from her Valentine's Day collection I got like a couple years ago, or maybe a year ago. But with the wet base method, you want to start out with your dark shadow. So I'm just really packing that dark berry shade into my crease. You don't want to set, you know, your base, because it's just not going to allow the shadows to really show, you know, their pigmentation. So yes girl, if you're going in with a wet base, you need to make sure you do your dark shadow first. Now I'm going in with that peachy shade, and I'm just going to blend that out. I tried to do this whole look with one palette. Even though you might not have this palette, you can still use these colors. But I wanted to use this one palette. Like, I wanted to really be like, Makaya, don't be jumping around to 1,000 palettes, just stick to one. But I ended up having to use the black shadow in another palette, but it's okay, because I use pretty much this one palette. Now I'm going in with some concealer to cut the crease. Now for the lids, I'm taking a flat brush into that dark glittery shade. I'm placing that on the outer V, or the outer portion of the cut crease, because eventually this is gonna pretty much be a half cut crease after I do the smoking of the outer corner. But I'm taking that shade, and it's cute and all, but it's not as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be, because I've never used that shade before. But this really light pink shade is really nice and really pigmented, but it's okay, because I ended up going over that glittery shade a little bit with the actual matte berry shade, just to make it stand out a little bit more. Yeah, I love the shades in this palette though. It's so pretty. So now I'm going in with that fluffy brush with that berry shade, and I'm just putting that right in the outer V. And it's kind of going to overlap the first shimmer shade that I laid down on the lid. So yeah, just to bring some color to it because it kind of wasn't doing much for me. So now I'm going in with the black eyeshadow just a little bit, and I'm placing that in the outer corner just to smoke it out a bit. I wanted this look to be a little bit more dramatic considering the fact that it's for the holiday season. And yeah, I just decided that this will be a cute little combination besides, like, you know, the typical red, gold, black, stuff like that. So now I'm priming my face with the SmashBox Finish Primer. Or is it Photo Finish? I think it's Photo Finish Primer. But I really love this primer. A dupe for this primer is the Baby Skin Primer that you can find at like a Target or a Walmart. It's really nice too. I just haven't been able to get my hands on it because every time I go to the store, it's sold out. So they'll let you know how good it is. But yes, girl. Now, of course, it's time for me to color correct, but I'm not going to show too much of this clip because everybody doesn't need to color correct. So it doesn't need to be this super long clip. But yes, you guys, I do color correct because I have hyperpigmentation problems around my mouth and other areas too. So yes. Now for foundations, I'm going in with these two. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and the Revlon Colorstay foundation. And these foundations are a bit yellow for my skin because you guys know that my skin is very neutral, honey. She's a neutral girl, okay? But I rather use a yellow based foundation than like a red base because I can always neutralize it out with my powders. So that is what your girl is doing. I'm going in with those two shades mixed. I really love the NYX foundation. Like, this is probably like maybe my 6th time using it, and it's really nice, really full coverage. So if you have not tried it, go try it ASAP. It's at Ulta, and I think I have mine in the shade Nutmeg or something like that. Just so you know, for color reference, I am in the shade Nutmeg, and for the Revlon Colorstay, I'm in the shade Caramel 400. Now it is time to contour. I'm using the Anastasia foundation stick. I'm not sure what shade this is, but of course it'll be in the description box, so don't worry. But yeah, I love to use a foundation just because it seems to blend well with other foundations than using an actual contour product. I don't know, the contour products seem a little stiff to me. So yeah, girl, I just like to use this. Now to highlight, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade C11. Yes, and I'm just going to make sure that I get it as close to the eyeshadow line as possible to make sure that it does not move, honey. We don't need to mess up those crisp lines that we worked so hard for. But yeah, I think I was watching something on my computer. That's why I keep looking over to the side. But yeah, you're just gonna highlight your nose, the bridge of your nose, your forehead, and your cupid's bow. And now it is time to blend all that out, you guys. I think something's in my throat. Let me clear my throat really quick. But I'm going in with the Beauty Blender. This is the black one. I really like this one when it comes to like concealer and stuff. Blending it out, it's just better to me. It's just better. So yeah. And you can see how, because I put that concealer right there by the eyeshadow line, I don't really have to like make sure that it's super, like I'm super careful with it because I'm not gonna go past a certain point, honey. But yes, I love this. And of course, we're setting our face with a Laura Mercier translucent powder. So now to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish with a fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna brush that all over my face and to dust away the rest of that powder. Now it's time to finish up these eyes. I'm going in with the Milani Black Waterline Pencil Gel, whatever you want to call it. It'll be in the description box, but I'm going in with that because this is of course a smoky look, and it's not smoky unless you have some waterline liner. And now we're going in with some black, some black eyeshadow just to smoke that out a bit before I place that berry shade right up under it, because you guys, I ain't fell in love with this look. It's so cute. Now with a pencil brush, I'm going in with that deep berry shade that we used first, and I'm just gonna smoke out that black. Y'all, why am I doing that? Why do I keep dragging my stuff out? I don't know why, but it's a habit. Now, like I told you guys, I wanted to keep it in this palette, so I'm using both of those blushes, girl, because they were already in there and I didn't have to pull out any other ones. So, yes, girl, blushes in the palette. Now it's time to get this face all super melted and together, honey. And how do you do that? You use Urban Decay setting spray. Okay, it melts all of your makeup together, makes it super seamless, honey. Yes, we love it. Now I am highlighting. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette with Nicole Guerrero. Not sure what shade I'm using, but it'll be in the description box. I think it's like that gold one that's in the middle. Can't think of what it's called, but yeah, I'm just gonna highlight really quickly. Yes, this look is fire, y'all. Oh, by the way, I put my lashes on as well. Those are my lashes in the style 1997. And now we're going in with some inner corner highlight. Of course, this is not a Makaya look without inner corner highlight. And the link to my lashes will be down in the description box, but my website is not up right now, but come back in a couple days and it should be up. Okay, and I'm going in with this lip liner. This is a berry lip liner. I think it's called Berry or Burgundy by Ruby Kisses. It's 99 cents, y'all, at the beauty supply store. And then I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution lipstick, and it is in the shade Chauffeur. Okay, beautiful, beautiful nude pink. So bomb. Like, this is like my go-to lip combo. And then with the MAC lip gloss, I can't think of what it's called, but it'll be in the description box, of course. Okay, but yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the completed look. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up this video, and comment down below. Also, let your girl know what other holiday looks you want to see from me, so I can get those started, and what other videos you guys want to see from me for Vlogmas, because I am participating this year. So yeah, you guys, bye. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments that you have down below. Also, the products that I used in this video will be down below in the description box. Also, hit that bell so you guys do not miss out on any uploads from your girl, because I will be doing Vlogmas this year. So please stay tuned, because a video will be up every day of December. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.